Day 19, 1981 CB750. Did a couple hours earlier, just cleaning bolts, working rear brakes, just kind of odds and ends. 2 hours this afternoon. Partner came in this evening. We did 2 hours tonight, so a total of 4, so 6 hours total today. Had to take the front tire to a local shop and have them do it. I pinched it twice, and that was enough for me. And it looks good. They did a good job. He stroked my ego a little bit and said that it was challenging rim tire combination, but it looks good. And we got the front tire on. We got a lot of stuff mocked up on it, and we're getting close. We threw the tank and tins and everything on there to give you a little look. Got the bars on there too. A little bit of the controls coming in. Going to cut this fender down. This is just kind of general. We're going to obviously measure a lot before we cut that, and then we're going to get it off this stand and onto the jack tomorrow, now that she's rolling. But there you go. A lot of work. Actually, not a lot of time. That's the opposite of most days.